everyone. We are welcome back with our new problem, which is of finding sales growth of a particular territory. So, in this question, we have to write a query to return territory and their corresponding sales growth. So, we have to compare growth between periods of quarter 4 and quarter 3. If territory has sales worth $100 in quarter 3 and sales worth $110 in quarter 4 2021, then the sales growth will be 10%. So it is basically taking the percentage of overall sales change in difference of sales as and divided by total sales of previous quarter and saying it is a sales growth. So now output that id of the territory and that sales growth. This is we have to output from the data and the sales growth. Only output these territories that had any sales in both quarters. Okay, so we have to find out that we have to use only that column or rows of data which have sales in both quarters. Okay, so now we have two tables. First is FCD customer sales and second is map customer territories. I have run down the both queries of putting data into databases. Now I'm starting to creating query. So my first logic will be I'll just join these two tables for FCT customer sale. I'll take as aliasing as FCS join map customer territories MCT on FCS dot because we are taking customer ID as a foreign key to the FCT customer sale. Okay, now FCS dot customer ID equal to MCT dot customer ID. Now we have our output data of both tables we have joined. Now we will say we only need the first we need the territory mct dot territory. Then we need to find the quarter of the sales. It is mentioned in the question that quarter 4 and quarter 3. Now I'm writing query to find the quarter of the sales. For finding quarter, we will just write quarter. We will find quarter from the order date. FCS dot order date, and we will be aliasing as Q. Now we need order value along with these data, and then if we try to enter these data, it will show mcd.id. Okay, I have not read the id, so it's a syntax error. So now we have three data columns, but we also need to find the difference in orders of quarter 3 and 4th. So first we will use the lag function. For using lag function, we will just get the difference between the order of values between the third and fourth quarter. So you just lag of FCS dot order value over, we will partition by MCT dot territory ID. Partition by MCT dot territory ID. Okay, let me check the now. So we have partition by territory ID. So it will just we have not just filter out the quarter 3 and 4. We are just assuming that the quarters present in dates are only 3 and 4. So we have the for quarter 4, we will check the difference by minus quarter value and the lag function. So let me aliasing the lag function as SG. Okay. Now let me check. We can say we just need the data where order value is not null, means sales value of any quarter, third or fourth must be not null. So we can say where uh, FCS dot order value is not null. Now we can say we need to find the percentage. We can say partition by order by territory ID. Now we can aliasing as M because we are now finding the percentage of the sales growth. We will aliasing it as select star from. Now we have aliasing and we will write the formula for finding the percentage. So our formula will be we need m dot territory ID and so first we need the difference of the sales. So the difference of the sales we'll find by minusing the SG from order value. Order value minus m dot SG, and then we will multiply it by 100 and we will divide it by SG because SG is the sales of previous quarter. Divided by m dot SG. Now we can say it is our sales growth percentage. Sales growth percentage. So it is given as the sales growth percentage, but we need the data where the sales is not null. So we can say where m dot sg is not null. So now we have particularly find the data for the three territories and the change in sales growth percentage for their sales in between quarter 3 and quarter 4 of 2021. So this is how I solved this problem. So okay guys, this is all. Bye bye, thanks.